of that I just read one book basically, in which I found out like why is the something you need to looking for, because that build a huge. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy and prosperous life. So I come again here in the video to speak and give a tips regarding speaking on this on any platform where you want to speak. So there are like 5 tips which I want to give you basically on this video, because that are helpful for me and helpful for you as well. Basically the first one is practice basically, and that will help you a lot more comparison to like reading and just exploring things in English. Like theory basically you don't want to do it, because that in a longer time you will learn it but you cannot able to speak it. So practice is something you need to start it from today only, because that will help you uh, understanding and speaking in front of everyone, and you can see yourself as well where you are making mistakes. So second important tip is like uh, fake it until you make it. Try to like be a YouTuber or something like a native speaker do. So become like that, like act like that, and fake it like them, just copying them basically, and just try to speak whatever they are saying, and just record it yourself as well, and your facial expression as well. So that is the second tip for me for you. And the third tip I would like to talk about is reading out loud. Whenever we are reading something, so that time read out loud, because that will build you confidence, because while you are repeating it very loudly, so there is one some sort of hesitation. Because of that you are able to clear that, and so you will get a lot of confidence by reading loud. Because in my past my teachers also told that read out loud, that is how you can like basically preparing your mouth to speak about English language. So this is a third tip. And so the fourth one is like mirroring yourself, like get front of your mirror and just speak whatever coming up in your mind. So that is also a tip number 4. So whenever you are waking up at the time, basically just try to like speak 10 to 15 minutes, because that is the most crucial part of throughout the day, because you are waking up and you are have nothing to think about that, and there is no stress, nothing like that. But in that period of time you need to speak at least by yourself like 10 to 15 minutes. That is also a good kind of rapport building thing. Like you can also get more confident, and you can see your expression by immediate basis, like what are the things which you need to focus on. And last one is observing yourself basically. That is the most important part, because the more you observe, the more you are able to see where you want to like focus more on, because that is the part where like in MNCs as well uses, because observations are most important in every skills which you are able to like grasp easily. So on this note, these are the 5 tips from my end. So I hope you like my 5 tips, and I hope these all tips will help in your life as well. So in this video I am going to complete, and that is it for today's video. I hope you found it valuable. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye.